buildings above the clouds. Big buildings are nothing new. In fact, they go way back. The ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. However, it was difficult to build very tall buildings because the bricks were not strong enough. Then, in 1852, Elisha Otis invented the elevator, and in the 1880s, engineers developed a new building technique using steel. It was now possible to build tall buildings with strong steel without worrying about how to get to the top. In big cities such as Chicago and New York that needed living space for families and offices for business, skyscrapers were the perfect solution. Mohawk Indians from Canada and ex-sailors did most of the work, as they were not scared of heights. In 1885, the world's first skyscraper, a 10-story office building, opened in Chicago. Between 1930 and 1931, the Empire State Building grew almost 1 floor higher every day. The 3,400 men who worked on it finished the building in just 14 months. These days, skyscrapers decorate almost every city skyline, and each year, taller and taller buildings appear all over the world. Do you know what the world's tallest building is now? This is the Burj Khalifa. It has theme parks, hotels, cinemas, and one of the largest shopping malls in the world.